Hi, my name is Nandini Banerjee. I am from Prayagraj. I did my BCom from Allahabad University, and today I am going to talk about how you can get the best score in CAT. And so I decided to do MBA because I like challenges, I like to work on it, and I wanted to go in the corporate sector. So I joined an online institution for brushing up my aptitude and my English skills, and I needed to give at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every single day to one caselet. I gave a lot of mocks because it improves your chances and it gives you a sense that where you stand in the national competition. I gave around 8 to 9 hours in preparation of CAT. In the morning I used to read newspapers and used to go through vocabulary, etc. In the afternoon I used to do my aptitude and maths and DI, LR. In the evening I again used to sit with verbal because it was one of my strong points. Sectional mocks before giving full-time mock will definitely help you because it will tell you in which section you are scoring the most and which section you are scoring the least. Speed does matter in CAT because you have 32 questions to solve in 1 hour and every section has 60 minutes allotted. So after 60 minutes the section will be gone. So you need to divide your time that in 1 minute I need to solve one question, in 15 minutes I need to do one caselet, and this is how you divide your time. After I got my CAT percentile, I checked all the colleges which were accepting my percentile, and I checked the ROI factor, I checked the placements, the company visiting in the campus and the curriculum, and accordingly I chose my college. To crack CAT you need willpower, determination and hard work because you need consistency. You need to study every single day, not just 1 week, not just a month before. You need to study for 6 months at least, or a year, whatever suits you. So you will have a dream college in your mind, the kind of campus life which you want, the kind of companies you want to work into, the kind of college that you want. I think so that is the biggest inspiration of a CAT aspirant. So you need to work on your weak points when you have time in your hand. So I worked on it, I gave more time to it, but as the CAT was coming closer, then I concentrated on my strong points, that was verbal and LR. And also you need to give a lot of mocks to understand the pattern of the paper, to understand how much time you need to give, and this is how you will be able to give a good CAT score.